Hey family, welcome to the Real Education. In this video, we are going to learn about how to set up PayID in CommBank application. So first of all, download this app and install it. Now the interface will be look like this. And friends, I am requesting to you, please hit the like button. Now as we can see here, we can click on the profile icon and as well as on the search icon, we can search for the PayID. And also you can click on the profile icon. You can see here is the option of the manage PID. So we need to click on the manage PID. What type of PID would you like to register? We will use the details we have on the file to set up it. You can use your mobile number and as well as the email address to set up your PID. It's completely your choice. Choose an account to link your PID. So I have already selected Smart Access account and you can edit your account from here if you want to change it. And friends, by chance if you are facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. After selecting your account, you need to click on the confirm icon. And friends, I am requesting to you, please hit the like button. Others may see this name when they pay you. You can see your name at here. And now you need to click on the got it and your PID has been set up successfully. Still, if you are facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. Thanks for watching Real Education. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.